Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:17 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated thunderstorms producing heavy rain across the warned area. 1 to 3 inches of rain have already fallen. An additional 1 to 2 inches are possible. Flash flooding is expected to begin shortly. Some locations that will experience flooding include Cartersville, Calhoun, Adelsville, Harley, White, Waleska, Kingston, Plainville, Cassville, Fairmount, Pine Log, Funkhauser, Salicoa Valley, Talmadge, Lake Arrowhead, Stylesboro, Hinton, Folsom, Somerville, and Deustanella. Be especially cautious at night when it is harder to recognize the dangers of flooding. If you see significant flooding, call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-674-4666 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta. At 8 p.m. in Atlanta, light rain was falling. 76.
Flash flood warning. Cartersville's about 10 miles north of me. And wonderful, it's dark outside. The storm, I think, is right over there. I bet you that's where the storm is. Oh, that was interesting. I hope you guys enjoyed this little alert that I recorded late, of course. I'll try to record as best as I can. Till then, see you guys next time.